Not really. Like I said, there's some gold here. And that's pretty much it. Nothing too special inside the screen. Probably some garbage. Snip the cable here. And there you go. So let's see what we have here, money-wise. We do have some steel, but it's going to be very negligible from all the screws and little bits. Everything counts. So steel-wise, we have 0.8 in steel, which is not a lot. We're talking about not even a penny's worth. But like I said, everything counts. For myself, I don't keep it because it's I don't have the space, so it's not really worth it. You know what? I found one of these eyes. You can open it up again. I think there's some more aluminum I can take out. There you go. And another board. And some copper. That's a good find. That's in the laser eye, so it's quite a bit of good quality material if you get alarm stuff. Alarm equipment. If you can test, if you can test it and you know it works, that's even better. So we're at less than a penny on steel. So very negligible, but put it in your steel pile, screws and the bits and everything. Ooh, look at that. Some nice gold again. Go get that out. Get all the aluminum. There we go. Regular board and aluminum. So next we'll do the wire. Zero that. We'll cut the gold tips. It's not super valuable, but always good to cut them.